The content on this channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Please contact a professional when it comes to your financial needs. Now, in my working years, I used a variety of retirement accounts. No matter what job I've had, a portion of my income goes into a retirement account, but it's based on the earnings I make with that job. What if you wanted to maintain one outside of a job? Well, there's a couple of features within Robinhood that allows you to do that. Let's take a look at a couple of them right here, right now on the Ujamaa network. I'm Antoine Anderson. Let's get to it. On this generational wealth journey I'm on and trying to make sure that my kids is all right after I'm gone, I'm coming across a lot more apps that legitimately can help you build generational wealth. One of these apps is Robinhood. Now, full disclosure, the last Robinhood video I did almost became my last because as I was trying to log into the account, I was hit with some weird security updates and literally blocked me for some hours before I could get in and finish the video that I was trying to do, which was setting up um, a purchase of some Verizon stock. Now, I like the fact that you can take some of that loose change or the money that you are not spending going out to the clubs anymore and putting it into a savings account. If you can put $10 worth of gas, $10 or $20 worth of gas in your vehicle, you can put $10 or $20 into your savings account or a Roth. And that's what we're going to do right here. It does allow you to gain some knowledge while not necessarily breaking the bank so that you can put a little bit away, just a little bit, so that you can have something to pass on to your kids or future generations. I like this approach that Robinhood has done. I haven't always agreed with everything they've done, especially when it came back to that kerfuffle with the AMC shorting and the GameStop shorting. But I definitely applaud them for bringing this kind of information or this access to people like me, people who have been by and large locked out of the investing class by either lack of education or lack of access. Let's get into how and why you may want to consider building a Roth IRA in Robinhood. Right off rip, when you log into your Robinhood account, just click on retirement. Now, you may have to set up your own or apply for your retirement account, but it's pretty easy. Before I started my video, I just put in $10 out of my one of my accounts, one of my bank accounts, and instantly I got 30 cents. Let's see if I can make another 30 cents just by adding to my Roth IRA. Now, you do have some options. You can add another retirement account as a traditional IRA, but make after-tax contributions with this free growth potential. Anyone with a MAGA under $165,000 if filing single, or $250,000 if you're jointly. These are fantastic, and we'll do a video on Roth IRAs versus traditional IRAs. There are a lot of things you can use this for, and it'll help you navigate some of the retirement accounts. Let's say you get separated from your job. Well, cool. A lot of times you have to either pull that money out of your retirement account or you can transfer it into a Roth. Having that Roth set up, if you're already employed, is a good idea to make sure you don't miss a beat when it comes to investing and still have access to borrow against it if you ever need to. So let's get out of here and get back. So we're back on our Roth IRA screen. I want to go ahead and contribute to my IRA. I'm going to choose an account, one that I've already set up, one of my checking accounts. I'm going to add to my Roth, and I'm going to put in another $10. What type? New IRA contribution. For what year? Tax year. Again, you get up to $8,000 until April 16th. Contributing the money to your account is just a good way to go. And I'm going to go ahead and say that. And the frequency is just going to be just once. Review the transfer. Transfer $10. And just like that, your retirement account is funded with another $10. And Robinhood matched it with another 30 cents. Got it? And I'll look at that. And there's my 30 cents that Robinhood just gave me. Now, when I was driving Uber, I would take a portion of my Uber cash. If there was any left, I would put it into my crypto. Now I'm diversifying things. I'm putting things in cryptocurrency accounts, or I'm putting them in a Roth IRA. I'm making more contributions to my 9 to 5 out of my paycheck. That's going to a separate account. You have to start doing things like that. You don't necessarily have to spend every dime you get if you're not in that situation of living literally pillow to post. Trust me, I remember those days. It wasn't too long ago where you missing meals because you can't save. There's nothing left over. There simply isn't anything left over. Now that you are getting on your feet, don't forget about those struggles. Make sure that you're starting to put away so that those struggles don't have to hit you and take you out like they usually do. What I'm doing is taking some of the revenue that this channel might be generating, and I'm putting it in that account. I'm good on survival right now. It's always better to think about these kind of things, because as I sit here reflecting, all this equipment that I purchased with this channel over the last 4 years starts to add up. You got lights all over the place. It didn't look like this in my earlier videos. That's all because I'm in a different place. And this is what an investment looks like. It starts getting brighter. Your lighting is good. Your sound is better. Your video quality is better. Why not do that same mentality when it comes to your investments? Let me know what you think in the comment section. I will talk to you later.